Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S40 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode and also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. So I'll quickly lock the device just so you can see I do have a pattern set, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know the pattern. And you want to start off by powering off the device, so hold the power key, select power off, confirm it. And once the device turns off, hold the power key and volume up at the same time. There we go. So once you see the boot mode, you can let go of the keys, and then using only volume up you want to navigate through the options in order to select the first one, assuming it is not selected, and then confirm it by pressing the volume down. Then again, using volume keys, this time around both of them, you can scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset, confirm it with power key, select yes. It will give you formatting data, and next thing you should see is data wipe complete. There we go. At which point reboot system now should be selected by default, so press power key to reboot the device. Now this will continue the process in the background, so just be patient. It might take about like 5 minutes or so for this to complete, and once it has, we'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.